Hello everyone, my name is Dane Parker, Senior Market Development Agronomist with Carbon Chemicals, and welcome to Fields of Resilience. In Fields of Resilience, we want to highlight farmers who have overcome the effects of Hurricane Melissa and are doing significantly well and are a testimony to the fact that Carbon Chemicals is helping them to improve and grow their yields. And in today's feature, we want to highlight a farmer who have overcome the effects of Hurricane Melissa and has bounced back and is doing well. So today, guys, we have on the program farmer Nicholas and farmer Leroy from Alligator Pond, who would have experienced the wrath of Hurricane Melissa in their tomato and super plots, and they want to share their experience having used the Carbon Chemicals program to recover their crop.
It's like this. Come on the farm the day after the storm, and when you come on the farm, leaf gone, fruit them gone after the tree them. You understand? We give up hope in it and we go to Bab say we link up Syrupy. You know what I mean? And we link Syrupy and come give you a check and make a tour and give you ideas of what you can use and the plants. And we apply it to the plants, and this is the result, as you can see so far, you know.
Them work, man.
Yeah, man, do work.
Them work. Trust me, them work. Yes. With the doctor, because product is not like this. You have to know, you have to get the doctor to tell us to use 2 teaspoons of this. So the doctor help you with the whole production thing, right? Everything the doctor help you with, man, and we use it, and you can see everybody comes to this a garden bed and I want bed.
With this strategy, you see it for yourselves.
Yeah, man.
As had you not been here and come and see it, I said the same thing as everybody else.
Yeah.
This was hidden somewhere else. As even a farm store supplier came and saw it and said, no man, this was inside. Yeah. So recapping the products, we are using Evergreen at 2 teaspoons or 10 ml per gallon of water. We're using Saeta at 2 teaspoons as well per gallon of water. Again, the goal, building plant recovery and resilience. While we're doing that application, we're utilizing Metazeb Gold as a fungicide in this application, and we're doing that at 2 teaspoons or 10 grams per gallon of water. While we are rotating that fungicide program with your Carbendazim, and this is being used at 2 teaspoons or 10 ml per gallon of water. Again, farmers, the overall goal here, protect the plants as they put out new shoots and branches. While we're doing that, we're rotating these foliar nutrition with your Cytoplex, and Cytoplex here is being used at 1 tablespoon per gallon of water or 15 mils. We're using Agasi. Again, we're pushing growth, so we're using it at 15 mils or 1 tablespoon per gallon of water, so too for your Bio 20. So overall, farmers, as you would have recognized, the objective would have been to stimulate growth and development and to ensure that you're getting size of the plant, you're getting multiple shoots, and you're also getting blossoms. When you want to recover from a catastrophic event such as a hurricane or a flood, your Carbon Chemicals team stands ready to help you grow.